At the break of dawn, I saw a sparrow on the wire. Tiny little dreamer with a heart of living fire. I asked, where are you going? He replied, I cannot stay. Every breeze an invitation, every sunrise is my way. He left above the rooftops, dipped low beside the stream. Nothing in his pocket but the courage of a dream. No passport, no permission, no suitcase, no disguise. Just faith inside its feathers and forever in its eyes. It said, don't fear the thunder, don't surrender to the rain. Every storm that tries to stop you only teaches you to gain. If one branch breaks beneath you, find another, don't delay. Birds were never made to quit, we simply fly away. Birds never ask the sky, will you carry me tonight? They open up their wings and trust the wind will guide their flight. High, fly, touching clouds so high. Try, rise, never asking why. Sing, ring, let the valley sing and glide. Ride on the breeze they ride. Every season brings a change, every change becomes a song. That's the way the birds survive, they just keep moving on. Then I met an eagle dancing where the mountains kiss the blue. Every circle that they painted seemed to draw a word anew. I asked, don't you get lonely in the endless open air? It smiled, the world belongs to those with faith enough to dare. The swallow crossed the rivers where the silver waters gleam, following tomorrow like a never-ending dream. The robin built a kingdom from the twigs the wind had thrown, teaching me the richest hearts can build from little stones. Every feather tells a story, every journey leaves a mark. Even little birds can find the sunrise through the dark. Life is not about perfection, life is learning how to sway. When the seasons change around you, spread your wings and find your way. Birds never ask the sky, will you carry me tonight? They open up their wings and trust the wind will guide their flight. High, fly, reaching mountains high. Free, be living endlessly. Dance, chance, every wind's a chance. Flow, grow, everywhere they go. When tomorrow wears a different face, they simply rearrange. Birds survive because they know how to become the change. The crow knows every city street, the dove still carries peace so sweet. The eagle climbs where dreams belong, the nightingale still sings its song. Different voices, different ways, different nights and different days. One great lesson, clear and true: life rewards the brave, not you. No, life rewards what brave hearts do. Birds never ask the sky, will you carry me today? They simply trust tomorrow, and they gladly find a way. Rise, shine, every day's divine. Flow, flow, let your spirit go. Dream, stream stronger than you seem. Go, go, treasures yet untold. Every feather tells the world that fear was never wise. Gagalicious Gaga.